U.S. Treasuries, the key to securing high returns with virtually no risk. Find out why these securities are considered one of the safest forms of investment. Imagine a financial strategy where your capital is protected by the U.S. government, providing fixed and consistent returns. What would you do if you could invest safely and still make substantial gains? Treasury bonds are the answer. Real estate funds. Security and growth in the U.S. real estate market. Participating in the real estate market without facing the risks of direct purchase is a reality. Real estate funds allow investors to profit from high-value real estate without the need to manage properties. What would it be like to receive consistent passive income thanks to a smart investment strategy? Real estate funds make this possible. Certificates of deposit, stability, and guaranteed earnings. CDs offer fixed interest rates that outperform traditional savings accounts, ensuring that your money grows safely. Imagine an investment that provides peace of mind and predictable returns. With CDs, you can plan your finances with confidence, knowing exactly how much you'll receive at the end of the term. Certificates of deposit are the right choice for those looking for security and guaranteed returns. 1. The rise of U.S. Treasuries. Did you know that you can guarantee high returns with virtually no risk? U.S. Treasuries are the answer. These bonds are considered one of the safest forms of investment, as they are guaranteed by the United States government. When you buy a Treasury bond, you are essentially lending money to the government in exchange for a fixed return. This investment is ideal for those looking for stability and security, as the risk of default is virtually non-existent. Many investors don't realize the flexibility that Treasuries offer. There are different types of bonds, such as T-bills, T-notes, and T-bonds, each with its own terms and payment structures. This variety allows investors to choose the type of bond that best aligns with their financial goals and investment horizons. Additionally, Treasuries can be purchased directly from the government or through the secondary market, providing a variety of options for maximizing returns. Imagine securing your financial future with investments that not only protect your capital, but also offer substantial returns. Investing in Treasuries not only preserves your primary investment, but also provides a steady stream of income through interest payments. For those seeking a reliable form of wealth growth, especially in times of economic uncertainty, Treasuries are a strategic and smart choice. 2. Real estate funds. Security and growth in the American market. Find out how real estate funds are delivering impressive returns without the risks associated with direct real estate investments. Real estate trusts, REITs, allow investors to participate in the real estate market without the need to acquire and manage properties directly. These funds own and operate a variety of income-generating properties, such as shopping malls, offices, and apartments, distributing the profits to investors in the form of dividends. Did you know that you can invest in high-value real estate without having to buy a property? Real estate funds make this possible. When you invest in REITs, you diversify your portfolio with an asset class that has historically offered solid returns and capital growth. Additionally, many REITs are traded on stock exchanges, which provides liquidity and ease of trading. This affordability makes REITs an attractive option for both novice and experienced investors. Think about securing a consistent passive income while you sleep, all thanks to your strategic investment in real estate funds. REITs are known for their ability to generate passive income through regular dividend distributions, which are often higher than those of traditional investments. This feature, combined with the potential for capital appreciation, makes real estate funds a smart choice for those looking to maximize returns without taking on excessive risk. 3. Certificates of deposit CDs, stability and consistent earnings. Imagine an investment where your money is safe and still growing. Certificates of deposit can be your solution. CDs are savings accounts with a fixed interest rate and specific maturity period, offered by banks and credit unions. They are an ideal option for conservative investors looking to preserve capital while earning a predictable rate of return. Certificates of deposit offer fixed interest rates that are generally higher than traditional savings accounts. By locking your money in a CD for a set period, you receive a higher interest rate, which is guaranteed regardless of market fluctuations. This predictability makes CDs an attractive choice for those who value security and stability in their investments. Imagine an investment where your money grows safely, providing the peace of mind you so desire. With CDs, you can plan your finances with confidence, knowing exactly how much you'll receive at the end of the term. In addition, CDs are protected by the FDIC up to certain limits, which adds an extra layer of security. For those looking for a safe haven for their capital with a guaranteed return, certificates of deposit are an exemplary choice. 4. Stable company stocks. Low risk with attractive dividends. Do you want to invest in stocks but are afraid of the risks? Stocks of stable companies offer safety and attractive returns. Investing in well-established and financially sound companies is an effective way to participate in the stock market with lower risk. These companies, often leaders in their industries, have a history of steady growth and regular dividend distribution. Many large companies pay dividends on a regular basis, offering a steady stream of income in addition to stock appreciation. Dividends are cash payments that companies make to shareholders, usually on a quarterly basis. Investing in shares of dividend-paying companies not only provides passive income, but also the potential for stock price appreciation, creating a double earning opportunity. Visualize yourself receiving dividends while watching your stock portfolio grow, all with minimized risk. By focusing on stable company stocks, you can build a robust portfolio that offers both security and growth. These companies tend to be less volatile and more resilient during economic downturns, making them a solid foundation for any investment strategy. 5. Index funds. Diversification and safety in the American market. Think of an investment that offers diversification, security, and good returns. Index funds are just that. Index funds replicate the performance of a specific market index, such as the S&P 500, allowing investors to own a slice of several leading companies with a single purchase. This diversification reduces the risk associated with investing in a single company. Investing in index funds allows you to have a stake in a wide range of companies, diluting risk and maximizing gains. With an index fund, you automatically diversify your portfolio, which is crucial for risk mitigation. These funds typically have low management fees, making them an affordable and efficient option for investors of all levels. Imagine being part of the success of several market-leading companies at the same time, with the security of a diversified investment strategy. Index funds are known for their consistent performance over time, frequently outperforming active managers trying to predict the markets. For those looking for simplicity, security, and a good return, index funds are an unrivaled choice. Securing high returns with low risk is possible and affordable. Treasury bills, real estate funds, and certificates of deposit are just a few of the tools available. Each option offers a unique combination of security and cost-effectiveness. Have you thought about diversifying your portfolio with investments that protect your capital as you grow? Opportunities are waiting for you. Investment strategies that balance security and growth are more relevant than ever. Real estate funds allow for gains without the need to acquire real estate directly, while certificates of deposit guarantee predictable returns. Which of these options resonates most with your financial goals? Explore and discover how they can transform your investment approach. The world of investing is full of safe and lucrative opportunities. Investing safely doesn't mean compromising returns. Want to learn more about how to maximize your gains with minimal risk? Keep exploring and learning. The next step in your investment journey may be simpler than you think. The best strategies are at your fingertips.